All right, welcome back. So now here is a question solution. Here's a question, and this question is under depreciation. That is like it's under all these financial and mathematics problem solving. So now you say that a car valued at 600,000 naira depreciate by 10% each year. That means each year the value of the car will reduce by 10%, but it will retain the value of 90%. So what will be the value of the car at the end of 2 years? So now I will show two ways to solve this. So let's continue. So now you have let me see. So now 600 600,000. That means the money, the initial money, 600,000 is equals to 10%. This initial amount is for 10%, in 100% is for 100%. So now if at the end of the first year, this first year, please let me put it first year. So now what will be the value of the car when it depreciates by 10% to 90%? When 10% is being minus from this 100% to become 90%. So now, what will be the value of the car now at the end of this first year? Because they say 2 years, so now we'll do the one of first year and the one of the second year to see what will be the last value of the one of the second year. But we'll first start with the one of what of the first year and see. So now, then it will be we'll now do cross multiply. Multiply this one times this one, this one times this one. You will now get 100 100x is equals to, so now you say this 600 600,000 times 90. So now you now say x is equals to, so now I want to find the value of this x. This x stands for what? The value of the car, the value of the car for the first year after it has depreciate by 10%. What will be the value of the car? So now it will not be 600,000 times 90. 600,000 times 90, it will be 54. Yeah, 9 times 6, it will be 54. 9 times 6 will be 54. Then you added this zero, it will be what? It will become 6 zeros. So you will now have, sorry, let me see. It will become what? 6. This is 50 plus this one becomes 6 zeros. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now there will now be 54 million. 54 million. Then you will divide it by this 100. This is what I did. 9 times 6 will give 54. Then this 0, I will join it to these zeros because we have 5 zeros here. We'll join, become 6 zeros. That's what I did. And if you use calculator, that's what you will get. So now when you divide it, you will have 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So at the end, you will find out that what the value of the car is what? 540 540,000. It will be 540,000. This is the value of the car. Let me put the money beside of the naira. This is the value of the car at the end of the first year. So now let us pick this one as 100% again for at the another year, so that let's see how it will depreciate by 10% again to see what will be the value. So now the second year, let me see. the second year. The second year will have, this one was the one of 100% for the first year. So this one now will now be the one of the 100% for the second year. Initial for the second year. So we have 540 540,000 is equals to 100%. So now what value again it will be for 90%. Now we'll still use what we did for here. Still cross multiply to see what will be the answer. So now you will set this time this and this time this, which will be what we have, 100x is equals to 540,000 times 90 all over, oh sorry, I've not got it to that stage. So now we'll now say x is equals to 540,000 times 90. So now we'll carry this 90 and multiply by this one. So now we'll get, when you multiply 9 times 54, 9 times 54, you will get 486. 400 and what? And 86. So now you now check the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 zeros. So what you do, you add the 5 zero. You added the 5 zeros. So what you will do here is that you will now check. You now said you supposed to cut it here and cut it here. So that will now be what, 48.6 million. 48.6 million. So now you will now divide it by this 100. Divided by this 100, 100 will cancel 100. I'm sorry, 0 will cancel 0. So we now have x is equals to 486,000. So now the value, they say what will be the value of the car at the end of 2 years. So now this will be the value of the car at the end of 2 years. Let me write it boldly. This will be the value of the car at the end of 2 years. This will be the value of the car. So now you get another way to solve this. So now let me show you another way to solve. I want to show you the second method to use. This one is just a formula that you will use. It's a formula that you will use. You have V, which is the value of the car that will be that time. It's equals to P, which is the what? The initial value of the car. Then open bracket 1 minus the rate 10%. The rate of the depreciating rate of the car. Then all over t. This t is the time, which is 2 years. They say 2 years, so it is the time. So now what you will do here is that you will set, now for us to get this one, you will set 10, this 10% divided by 100. So you will have 0.1. You can add 0 if you wish, but this you will get this one. So now this is what you will use for here. So have V is equals to, so now P, this P is what? 600,000. So I have said 0.1 square. This 2 will be squared. So now you will set, let me come to this side. So we'll start say V is equals to 600,000. So now one minus 0.1. 1 minus 0.1, because this zero just is not, you cannot say 10. It's just 1. 1 minus 0.1 will have in brackets 0.90 squared. So that you have V is equals to 600,000 times, when you say 0.90 squared, it will give you 0.81. So V is equals to 486,000 at the end. When you check this answer and the second one and the first one that we did is the same. This is just the formula, so you can use this formula. It's very fast. When you multiply this, this will give you this. When you try multiply it, it will give you this. So thank you for watching, and please follow me on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.